Hello everybody, Nick here. It's been a while, but school and stuff, and I'll explain it all in another video. But today, I decided that I'd treat myself to an early birthday gift and got myself a loot crate. Now, I don't know much about these. A couple of my friends had them, my girlfriend had it, and from what I saw, the stuff inside of it's really cool. So, I decided to get one, at least for a month. So, yeah, let's see what's in this sucker. Alright. Ah, fuck. Alright, so, huh. Alright, this is pretty neat. We got Warriors issue 7. Now, I'm pretty sure, well, it looks like Adventure Time and like a couple other things. But I'm pretty sure this is an internet series. I'll have to look it up. Predator February. Huh. Didn't know Adventure Time was in there. Alright, so, first we have this thing. It's a kid robot. And I got Dunny. Sideshow. It's in this one. Funny bastard. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Just gotta have to go to a pen. Okay, so here's I open this thing. Where do I open this thing? I don't want to bite it because it's metal. Damn it. Trusty pen again. Huh. That's a neat little guy. And he's a zombie. Huh. Well, there's a new desk topper now. There. Now stay. What's this guy's name? He does not have a name. He has this cool little card. Alright. Oh, sweet. Got a bow tie. A, what's cat bug? Cat? Yeah, that's a cat bug. A cat bug bow tie. Because as my fellow Whovians will know, bow ties are cool. Alright, let's see. Take that next. A button with cat bug on it. Says Lootcrate 2000 or February 2014 Warriors. A free digital comic for Bravest Warriors. Cartoon Hangover. Not the plug, but you guys should check out Cartoon Hangover. Look, it's like Adventure Time kind of stuff. Really neat. I'll really have to start watching that. I got a set of stickers. Say Go Falcon X. Please do not eat the delicious greeting card. Said delicious eating card. I love you more than bacon. I know who I'm giving this to. And oh, cool. Gas-powered stick. So, yeah. Piggy bag. Excellent for conventions. Yeah. Yeah. Gas-powered stick. I don't understand half of these jokes, but oh well. And then there's the t-shirt. Ooh. Got. I don't know if it's supposed to be an alphabet shirt because I don't see A. Well, I mean, it could be. It's just all over the place at the moment. Oh, there it is. Asteroids, Bomberman. Yeah, I'm not gonna put it up all at the moment, but yeah, there's that. Huh. Well, all in all, that is a pretty sweet loot crate. Not bad for my first one. I'll definitely have to get this again. But yeah, that's it for now. But thanks for watching. If you'll excuse me, I have something to give my bacon heart to. See you guys later.